Welcome to today's education live intraday trading video. I'll be explaining you how I took my trade today on HDFC Bank and I'll be explaining you the trade logic. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. Right now I'm buying HDFC Bank in the market level around 1485 levels to 1486 level. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So looking at the first green candle, it looks that there are a lot of buyers. The big green candle has been formed in a very good way. I mean, the body is bigger in this first 15 minutes candle, indicating that there are good amount of buyers available in this stock. So let's see how the stock will perform today. Bought it around 1485 to 1486 level and my target summary is around 5 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. So watch the video till the end. I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything regarding today's live trade. Okay, and today the stock opened at 1483.95 and the market is also in a bit of a bullish way, not much of a big gap up or something like that today, but it's in a bit of a bullish way. But let's see how the market will perform and also how the HDFC Bank stock will perform. Okay, so high made as of now is 1485.95 and it has touched that point and it has come down, and that high point is somewhere nearby where it's trading right now. So let's wait for the breakout to come, and once the breakout comes, then I can expect some of the fast movement to happen in this stock is what the view is. Okay, and the profit what I'm showing you will depend on the capital what you're investing. Okay, so let's wait for the stock to go up. So right now it's trading around 1485. And also guys, if you want to learn all this technique of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. Okay, the main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to get my years and years of experience and also want to get the live market guidance from me, you can join us today. You can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today, and I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience in the live market trading. Okay, so you'll be getting the personal live market guidance as well. So guys, yes, as of now the stock is still trading around 1485. So let me just wait for some time and I'll get back to you once the stock goes up or wherever I take the exit. So until that, you can continue to see the live trade how the stock is going to perform as of now. So it's almost getting closer to the breakout here, if you guys can see. So guys, as you guys can see, 1485 levels has given a breakout now. The stock has now made a high of 1486.25. So we are almost getting closer to the target here. So somewhere around 1490, I'll just take my exit. So as of now, it's trading around 1487. So almost close to 1488 also. So 1488 has given a breakout now. Okay. So let's wait now and see how the stock will perform. So 1488.15 is a new high what it has made. So it has touched that 1488 level and right now it has taken some of the key resistance level, I guess. So that's why the stock is coming down, but the market still looks in a bullish way. I mean, the market is still trading in the levels where it was trading in the morning itself. The market has not yet come down, so that's the reason why I'm still holding it. So the stock has now come back to 1485 levels where I bought. So anyway, I'll just wait for some time and see how the market or the stock will perform. I'm still hoping that the market is in a bullish way today, and this stock has a good very support level here where the buyers can come in. So I'll still hold it. Okay, so I'll just see how the stock will perform. I think it is gaining the momentum to the buying side again. Now it's going up 1487 level almost again, it's coming back. So let me just wait for some time and I'll update you guys. Okay. So guys, as if you guys can see here, the stock has now come back to the buying levels and right now it's going up. So 1488 is the level what it is trading right now. So it has gone down till 1486 to 1485 levels, and from there it has taken a good support. As you guys can see here, again a big bullish green candle has been formed here, showing that it has strength towards the buying side. So let's see how the stock will perform from here right now. Okay, So as of now it's trading around 1487 to 1488 levels. So the high made as of now is 1488.90. So just hoping that it gives a breakout there and it touches 1490 levels somewhere around there, so that I can take my exit. So 1490 is my target as of now. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see now, 1489 is also trying to give a breakout over here. So let me just wait for some time and see how the stock will perform. And once we get the breakout, okay, so 1489.50 is a new high, guys. We have got a breakout here, so we are almost closer to the target. Okay, so almost touching 1490 now. So I'll just take the exit. Yes, it has been touched. So guys, as you guys can see here, the stock had made a high of 1490.95. I took my exit by booking almost 5 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of HDFC Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.